Jama'a assalamu alaikum. A yau kamar yadda muka yi alƙawarin aji namu na uku za mu yi bayani ne akan wato character set, variables, data types. Idan muka magana akan character set, refer to those character that is acceptable in Visual Basic, wato character da ya fi karɓuwa a cikin Visual Basic su ne kamar alphabet A to Z being either in lower or upper case, sannan akwai numeric digit which is 0 to 9, sannan akwai decimal point, akwai grouping character su ne su kama semicolon da dai sauransu, akwai relational operator su ne equals to, greater than, less than da dai sauransu, akwai arithmetic operators su ne su plus, minus, division da dai sauransu da kuma blank characters. All these are all character that is acceptable in Visual Basic. Now, when we talk about variables, idan muka magana akan variable is nothing but just a container that hold values. Bari mu je mu gani yadda ake declaring variables sannan za ku fi fahimta ya variable yake. A nan idan muka ce variables, muka ce is a container that hold value. Ya ake declaring variable? Now, let's see how to declare a variable. For instance, we are in the coding environment now, and I'm going to say dim. Let me just say dim a as integer, for instance. This is what? This is an example of variable declaration. So now, what do you understand by the word, the dim statement? The dim keyword here says dim. Dim stands for dimension, and it tells the Visual Basic to create a memory space that is going to be used for that variable declaration. So when you declare dim statement, when you say dim, you tell the Visual Basic three things. Kana gaya mishi abu uku ne. Shine that you need a variables, what to name the variable, and what types of variable. So idan muka ce to that when you say dim, idan muka ce dim, ka gani na declaring what? A, which is our variable. That means I need a variable. So what to name the variable, then I make it to be what? A. Then what types of variables, that means the data types. So then I make it to be what? To be integer, and integers are 0 to 9. That is the numeric digit that I mentioned, which is one of what? One of the character that is acceptable in Visual Basic. So that's simple to tell you how to what? How to declare a variables. Now, how can we assign a value to a variable? So what we say is, for instance, then you make it to be equals to whatever value you want to give, then I make it to be 12. Now I initialize my value to be what? To be 12. Na bashi dama ya kasance ya rike me automatically, directly na bashi ya rike ya shigar da a namu variable namu ya zama me? Ya zama 12. Sai yasa muka ce a variable is nothing but just a container that hold value, and that value can be anything. It can be 12, it can be 5, it can be 6, it can be whatever it is. So that is why whenever you declare dim statements, that you tell the Visual Basic three things. Kamar da na gaya muku, kuna gaya wa Visual Basic abu uku ne. Kana ce mishi kana buƙatan variables, sannan kana buƙatan what to name the variables and what types of variables. Now the dim statement kamar da na ce shi yake da zarar ka ce dim, kana ba wa dama wa Visual Basic ya create maka memory space domin a bada suna ga wancan variable. That's simple about the dim statement, the variables, and the data types. And the data type is nothing but describing what will be into that variables. Da haka anan zamu dakata. So da haka muni bayani akan character set, variable da data types, sannan yadda ake declaring variable, ya ake assigning value, sannan mun magana kan dim statement. So a aji namu na wato na hudu, inda zamu bayani matakan yadda zamu yi bayani akan yadda ake aiki da variable, inda zamu kai ga mun ma creating software kamar misalin adding two values, ya ake add calculator da zai add maka misalin kace 2 plus 2. So duka dai zamu zo mu yi insha Allah, inda zai bamu dama mu san menene variable all about, ya ake assigning value, sannan ya ake receiving output from input from the user. So misali mu ce okay, now 2 plus 2 nawa zai bamu 4. So ya ake adding 2 plus 2, just a simple calculator insha Allah. Da haka idan ajin nan ka ji daɗin shi sosai, da Allah idan wannan bidiyon yanzu kake kalla, ka mana subscribing, kai mana liking, kuma kai mana sharing, saboda duk lokacin da muka ɗora wani abin da ya shafi programming zaka same shi kai tsaye.